Welcome to this instructional tutorial review and unboxing of the SQ20 soccer ball camera. Okay, so let's take a look at the box. Okay, so let's open the box and see what's inside. Okay, so here's the camera. You've got a hole here. Put the strap around. Right there's the charger cable. So this is a proprietary charger cable right here. And here is double-sided tape. And here's the camera. Okay, so let's take a look at the manual. It's in English and in Chinese. Okay, so let's take a look at the camera. Now what you need to do is, to charge it you have to separate it. So basically just pull it apart like so. Okay, now right here is the charger port and also used to connect to the computer. Right over here is the memory card slot. This uses a micro SD card. And right here is the reset button. In case the camera is not functioning properly, you can just reset it. You just take a narrow object and just push it in, and that's how you can reset it. Okay, the first thing you need to do is charge the camera, so just plug the cable in and then plug it into the computer to charge it. Now when you charge the camera and plug it into the computer, you're going to notice that you're going to see a steady red and blue light. When the light turns steady blue, the camera is charged. Okay, so I'm going to be installing a memory card. Okay, to install the card, you have to be careful and insert it in like so, in this direction, and don't push it in too hard. If you push the card in too hard, it can get stuck. So just insert it in, carefully push it through up until around this area right here, so it's even with the contour and outside of the camera. Don't push it any further in than it is now. Okay, to turn the camera on, you push and hold this down for about 3 seconds. Okay, now let go. Now you're going to see a steady blue light. To start recording video, just press the button again. Now as you just saw, it flashed 3 times, and the camera is now recording video. To stop recording video, press the button. Video recording is stopped. The file is saved as an AVI file, and as you can see, the light is now steady blue, and the camera is now back in standby mode. Now to record video with motion detection while the camera is in standby mode, press and hold down the button for 3 seconds. Okay, now let go. Now as you just saw, the camera flashed 3 times, it went off, and now the camera is recording in video with motion detection. When the camera detects motion, it will start recording in 5-minute increments. Now if it doesn't detect any motion, it will not record. Once it starts detecting motion again, it will start recording again. Now to stop recording, press the button. Video recording has stopped, the file is saved as an AVI file, and the camera is now back in standby mode. To turn the camera off, press and hold down the button for about 5 seconds. So as you just saw, the camera flashed quickly several times, and the camera is now off. Now right here is the camera lens. Now this indentation over here has to match up with this. That's how you know how to put it back on. So just put it together, press it in, and now the camera is closed. Okay, with the camera closed, you can also view the light to see what the camera is doing and how it's functioning. So to turn the camera on, press and hold it down for about 5 seconds. Okay, so the camera's on and is in standby mode. To start recording, press the button. So same as when the camera was open, you can see the light functioning, and now, as we just did, we are recording video. To stop recording video, once again, press the button. Video recording has stopped, the file is saved as an AVI file, and the camera is now back in standby mode. For motion detection, just repeat the process that we did before. Okay, so I'm going to install this. Okay. It's quite compact, just to give you an idea of the size. Okay, so I'm going to be taking some footage with the camera, so please stay tuned.
Okay, this is a test of the SQ20 soccer ball camera. I'm currently doing an audio test to hear how the audio turns out, and currently doing a video test to see how the video turns out. So here we go. Now there is some wind, so let's see how the audio deals with that. Okay, so taking some indoor footage.
Okay, so there you have it. This was an instructional tutorial review and unboxing of the SQ20 soccer ball camera. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like up this video, and thank you for tuning in.